Mm-hmm.
to work the clay, pushing it inside as much as I can. Goes easy. So the straw is wet with the spray.
Mm-hmm. Nice. That's looking good too. You're working it into that straw. It's dark, but let's see if we can go for a close-up here.
It's all gonna look bumpy. The next layer we're gonna smoothen it out. It's gonna make the straw stickable by putting this sticky clay, working into it.
And I think I read in one of those straw bale books that like I think the Pueblo people, when they do the cob, they run their hand in a horizontal direction, like on the outer walls. That's to align the straw in a horizontal manner. So like when the water drips down the wall, it'll be a more circuitous route because it'll have to go more horizontally along the straw bales than straight down, and that's what'll carve like a rivulet, a gully in your cob. So the horizontal straw alignment kind of acts as like a dam to prevent that from happening. Wow, it's like the surface of the bale is so much farther in towards the house than the bale above it now. You've like compressed it down by like an inch. Interesting. Well, there we have it, folks. Our first plaster, our scratch coat on straw bale. It's happened. It was a beautiful day at the Cobb Mahal. Very grateful for everything we have. Hope you all have a great night. Bye-bye.